Hey, what's up, everybody? So we're here at Irwindale. This is Blake.
Hey.
We've got the ugly duck back there. Let me just show you why we're here. We're here for a, what is this called? Origins?
It's something JDM.
It's a JDM. We just don't fit in.
We don't
Point this out the window and show what who's here.
Let's see. Got some Mustangs, some Toyotas, some Nissans, Mazda. But it's not really our thing specifically, but there is a Burnout box. And we plan to send this Turbo 350 into space today. You're stupid.
Showtime?
Let's see what happens.
He's got his brand new helmet.
I had to get a helmet because Irwindale requires windows or a helmet. You pick. We don't have any windows.
We couldn't get windows in here quick enough.
Or roll cage.
Well, let's go. We'll get in line. Jump in here. So this is the only, obviously the only Jeep that's gonna play today.
It usually is the only Jeep.
Yeah, I guess that's true. Shut her down. Keep her cool. So yeah, there's a lot of JDMs, a lot of slam cars with angle kits. Do you have an angle kit? No angle kit.
No.
No angle kits.
I forgot about that one.
So we just gotta sign our life away. So it's got.
I'm excited to see this thing.
See, yeah, he's gotta sign his life away.
Actually, I've heard it's loose.
Yeah.
That's what they tell me when they get off the track.
That's good for me.
But I'm definitely a Jeep guy.
Are you?
Oh yeah, I have one.
What do you have?
Just a Grand Cherokee.
Yeah.
Nice.
97. They're the best.
The V8?
All right, while he pushes this up, we'll take a look at what's in the lineup. This is the exit lane. Looks like a little bit of oil. Anyway, so that's a Burnout box there. We're just waiting in line. We got a few minutes, so we'll keep you guys posted here. How you feeling?
Pretty good.
You do this all the time.
Yeah, I literally do this illegally most of the time, so the fact that it's legal.
Well, legal, and you have a helmet.
Yeah. I got a new fire extinguisher.
You got a new fire. See, we're being safe.
Yeah. I do have lap belts.
Lap belts, fire extinguisher. So it should be good times.
Yeah.
Like it, well, we got the trailer. We just push it home.
Yeah.
Yeah?
She is a trailer queen right now.
Who'd ever thought, right?
Yeah. Next time, it'll have a 4-speed and blower.
The blower on it.
Right now it's
oh yeah. It's a good crowd here today too.
Yeah, there's
you guys can see.
There's There's a lot of new cars. Definitely
A lot of new cars. A lot of badass cars like that. Look at it. She's like, this is a Jeep? Yeah.
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 Yeah. Oh yeah. Something else. It's a 5.3. It's a big camp, but that's it. Yeah.
I'm gonna try to throw a camera in this place. All my friends have cameras and just fucking record that.
As always, guys, the Burnout Box is free. You get access to the Burnout Box all night long on Thursday nights, guys. That is every Thursday. And as always, if anything changes, follow us on Instagram at Irwindale Dragster. Follow us at Irwindale Speedway.
What's that? It's got an LS. What the fuck, Papa? All right, we're at the front of the line. You got 2 cars ahead of you.
I got messy hair.
You got messy hair. Well, strap on a helmet, dude. Strap on a helmet.
And a lap belt.
Put your lap belt on. You got a fire extinguisher.
Cutouts are open.
Cutouts are open. You got the warning light for temperature. It's all good.
Doesn't matter.
You got a Budweiser t-shirt. Good to go, dude.
Hold my beer.
Hold my beer. Hey, hold my beer. Watch this. All right, dude. Get him.
All right.
All right. Holy shit! Dude, it's covered! That was cool. Woo! Fucking badass, dude. You freaking killed it. That was tight, dude. That was cool, man. Look at the fucking rubbers all inside of the truck, dude. Oh yeah. Yeah, let it cruise out. Yeah, we're just doing a little cool down lap. It got up to 220, a little over 220. A little over 220, but that's nothing for the LS, right? 230. 230. Let's take a look. Oh yeah. Oh, let's get this off there. Yeah, you tore them up, dude. Hell yeah. Now they're sticky. Dude, you put on a hell of a smoke show. Look at all the rubber up here. You got rubber all over. It's inside on the windshield. It's on the doors. Let's look. Yeah, let's
check on the old girl.
Let's check on the goods. Let's check on the goods and say.
2 weekends in a row I've read over the motors.
Dude.
I don't see anything blown up.
Dude, nothing.
How about the trans? Just a leaker.
No leaks?
Wow. What happened? I don't even want to tear it apart now.
I know. Dude, she's done good. Nice job, dude. Excellent, excellent run.
Thanks for all your help.
Good times?
Yeah.
Oh yeah.
He helped me a lot on this build. So.
Dude.
I can't believe it did what it did just now and didn't.
That is awesome.
I want to go again, but I want steel. I want
Yeah, exactly. You still exactly
one
blow
good
tires.
run and you're done. I don't think I could compete with myself after that.
Yeah, after that? No, it's a one and done. Anyway, guys, that's it. It's a one and done smoke show. You did an excellent job. We're gonna, I can't believe all the rubber that's all over the vehicle. Anyway, we're gonna head over to the drag strip, but for now, that's it. Please like, subscribe, share, and all the good stuff. And stay tuned. Make sure you're watching Ugly Duck Jeep on Instagram. There's gonna be phase two of this, so that's it. For now, thanks for watching. See you guys.